Today, I will be talking about how you can practice law of detachment. As soon as you started practicing law of detachment, you automatically started manifesting and aligning the things in your favor. Whenever we create a frequency of desperation, or whenever we create a frequency of lack, we automatically block that manifestation in our life. So, to manifest anything, you have to practice the law of detachment and you have to practice the law of assumption. Today, I will be talking about both the laws in a detailed way. So, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita Gupta. I am a Ho'oponopono healer, law of attraction coach, and NLP practitioner. So, let's start with today's topic. What is law of detachment? Law of detachment doesn't mean that you are giving up on your goal. Law of detachment means you have manifested something in your life, but you are not attached with that goal. You are just surrendering that goal to the universe because you know that you deserve it, and because you know it's already yours, it's already meant for you. And the things started aligning in your favor, no matter how. You don't care about how, you don't care about from where it gonna come, it just gonna come. That belief, that thought process is called law of detachment. That is surrender to the universe, everything. This is a very beautiful law. You know, I just want to tell you a quick story. I lost my job in May 2025. And after I lose my job, every day I am having a desperation. Every day I was stressed out. I was guilty. Have lot of emotion. And that 1 month literally create a lot of negative frequency, which actually block my manifestation of job. Then I realized I work on this frequency and I've practiced the emotion of surrender. I practiced the emotion that I already got a job and I don't know from where I'll get a job, but I already and I manifest how much package I want. So I have written all the affirmation. I've written everything and I've just practiced surrender. I know I was every day I was like, I know I'll get the job. I don't know from where I'll get the job, but I'll get the job. And I've started grading my frequency. I've started working on my frequency. And in September, I got a call. I got a call and I got an offer. And you don't believe how I got that offer. I got a call from an HR. Already that company had hired someone. My HR called me and that, Nikita, are you free right now? I was like, yeah, I'm free. It's just 1 minute. In that 1 minute, I just saw that message and I just joined the call. And then I just started giving the interview. And you don't believe that the person who was taking an interview, that person say, I already hired someone, but right now I want to change my mind. I think I can hire you. I think I think I can take a chance with you. So that person literally hired me. In this way, I got my job. And next day, I have an offer letter. You don't believe this was the magical scenario which happened in my life. So you can manifest anything if you practice law of detachment and if you practice this surrender. We have naturally as a human, we carrying a lot of negative emotion, which suppress our manifestation, which block our manifestation. So I'll just help you with step-by-step technique about how you can surrender and how you can practice. So number one step is upgrading your frequency. How you can upgrade your frequency? Whatever goal you want to manifest, just write an affirmation. Just write an affirmation for the end goal rather than writing an affirmation for the process. For example, if you want to go from Delhi to Bombay, just write the destination that I've already reached Bombay. Don't write I'll go by flight, I'll go by train. That's the process. We want to focus on the end goal. So focus on end goal of manifestation. Step 2, just write the goal as if it already happened. As if you already got a job, just write the affirmation, which is present continuous tense. This is the best way of writing an affirmation, and write the affirmation in three ways. Number one is the grateful affirmation. Thank you, universe, for giving me this job. This is called as grateful affirmation or gratitude affirmation. Number two is your action affirmation. Action affirmation is like, I'm very happy, I'm very thrilled, I'm enjoying this job, I'm working very hard, I'm very focused while working on my job. So this is called as action affirmation. There are three types of affirmation you need to understand. So this is an action affirmation. First is the gratitude affirmation, and then there will be a feeling affirmation. What you want to feel exactly. Feeling affirmation is, I am feeling super relaxed, I'm feeling super secure right now. So this is the third affirmation, third type of affirmation. So you have to write this three type of affirmation. Number third step, every day you have to upgrade your frequency. In the frequency, there are four factors: FTBA: feelings, thought, belief, and action. So there are four factors, you have to manage that. Thoughts is that every day you have to practice the thought where you will be thinking positive, where you will be feeling whatever feelings you have to feel after getting the job, you have to feel every day, and you have to believe that you'll get the job because you deserve it. So you have to create the belief according to the manifestation which already happened in your life. Just imagine tomorrow you get the job. Whatever the feeling you'll have at that time, whatever the belief you have at that time, and whatever action you can possibly take, you have to take exact same action. It's just that you have to live as your future self today, as if that future self is today living, who is already manifest that goal, who has already manifested that particular job. If you live like a future self, universe will believe that it's already yours. Universe, you are not vibrating at a frequency of lack, you're already vibrating at a frequency of abundance. So it is very easy and it is very useful for you to manifest any goal. So in this way you have to practice the law of detachment. Second thing is called as law of assumption. Law of assumption means you have to believe that you have to be comfortable about around that job. If you want to manifest a job in Google with a 50 lakh package, first you need to create that comfort level. You need to believe that you deserve it. You need to believe that it's already yours and you're very comfortable around that particular amount or that particular job. Because if you don't handle that comfort and if you're not comfortable about it, you will resist it, you will self sabotage it. So it's very important to create a frequency of comfort. So write an affirmation about the comfort. I am very comfortable with certain amount of package, I'm very comfortable in this position in this company. Write this affirmation and practice this for 21 days. You will see the magical results in your life. In this way you can practice law of assumption and law of detachment. Trust me, practice this and let me know what kind of a results you will be getting in your life. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and keep sharing to someone who actually need to hear this. Thank you so much.